Sui, at the time of this recording, is attempting another bounce back to the upside, and we have now managed to flip our key area of resistance above the $4 mark back into support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and on today's update video, I will be discussing my next breakout scenario here on the Sui chart, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made back in 2023, where we started a very impulsive movement to the upside, and we first picked impulsively in the formation of these Elliot count 1. Then we saw a pullback over here in the formation of these wave 2, fully maximizing the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that blue target area. We saw a reaction of that target area and started another impulse to the upside in a move that has now given us our all-time highs above the 5.3929 in the formation of these Elliot count 3. And after we got our high over there, we started a bit of a retrace to the lower side in the formation of these Elliot count 4, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of these wave 3, and on so doing you can see that my minimum pullback target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 3.5 and the 2.9253, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize the area, though you can see that the day we saw a pullback to the lower side, we saw a reaction of the fib level 0.382 in a move that started a bit of a bounce to the upside over here in what could be the start of another impulse in the formation of that Elliot count 5. And if that is the case, then using the fib extension, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, we get a minimum target area for these Elliot count 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 6.5235, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. Though we need to be cautious because there are chances that whatever is happening here on the charts is still a corrective structure in the formation of these Elliot count 4, where we could have these as an ABC corrective structure, having these as the wave A. Then whatever is playing out at the moment is a bounce in the formation of these wave B, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the all-time highs, which is the high for that wave A, to the low of these wave A, and on so doing we get a minimum pullback target area for these wave B between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 4.9846 and the 0.4489, the blue target area over here. And that means that that area should act as resistance. So if this bounce continues to play out, this is an area that we need to pay attention to, because if by any chance we get rejected over here, then that will be suggesting that we are going to get one more new low in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing our yellow target area. We also need to have in mind that if this bounce continues and we manage to break through this blue target area, then that will be an indication that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, though that is this Elliot count 4, and whatever is playing out is that bounce in the formation of this Elliot count 5. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Sui to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.